Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.8 LTS version on Debian Linux 13.4. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Debian Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Then click on downloads. Then see here we have the MySQL community edition. Click on MySQL community downloads. Enter. Then select MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.8. If you are unable to find, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select operating system Debian Linux. Then select version. See here we have the Debian Linux 13 and 12. In this video I have connected to Debian Linux 13. So select 13. Now see here, once we selected, it populated all Debian packages. Instead of downloading each package, just to download this step bundle. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 479 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will enter the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.4.8. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, ls. Now we have to enter this file tar-accept, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter, ls. See, we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install them, but before installing them, install following dependencies. Sudo apt install macap-ipadic-utf8 lib-aio-dev. Provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. Type for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed Ctrl-A. Now install these packages. Sudo dpkg-i star.dev. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Now we have to set up the password for root account. Hit enter. Re-enter the same. Hit enter. We have successfully installed except these three components. Ctrl-A. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is active and running and its service status is enabled. Quit to quit. Ctrl-A. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-u. Provide the password of the root account. Hit enter. See, we have connected to MySQL Server version number 8.4.8. You can also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we got the same. Okay. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables, so create table. See, we have created a table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users. Now create user. See, we have created user. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. MySQL-u, new username is David-p. And whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. So provide that password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.4.8 on Debian Linux 13.4. But the process is same on all Debian operating systems. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is inactive or dead. You can also verify the same by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u route-p. See, unable to connect. So start it again. Now verify the status. See, we have restarted 7 seconds ago. If you want to restart, see, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Q to quit. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using DBA or MySQL Workbench. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Debian Linux. Okay, Control A. So we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.4.8 on Debian Linux. Else these files are not required anymore, so I am deleting them to clear the space. rm start.dep. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Else remove this one also. rm mysql, press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Else we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.4.8 LTS version on Debian Linux 13.4. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.